want to show you how to play the classic gospel hymn from the 19th century, Standing on the Promises. If you want the letter notes for that, go to LetterNotePlayer.com. I have them there for you. Let's start with the melody. We're in the key of B flat, and the melody starts on an F. F, 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 G, F, E flat, D, E flat, F, B flat, B flat, G, 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 A, B flat, A, G, G, F, 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 G, F, E flat, D, E flat, F, B flat, B flat, D, D, B flat, C, C, A, B flat. And we've got the refrain, or the chorus is what we'd call it today, but it's D, B flat, G, B flat, C, 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 B flat, C, D, B flat, G, B flat, D, B flat, G. And then we hold this. Congregations will hold that, and I play a B flat and E flat open fourth together. And we've got C, B flat, B flat, B flat, C, D, D, C, C, B flat. So there you have the melody. Now, of course, you can take that melody up an octave. You can take it down an octave. You can slow it down. You can do a lot of things with that melody if you want to make up your own arrangement. Now, let me show you, and then we've only got three chords in here. We've got a B flat chord, B flat, D, F. We've got an E flat chord, E flat, G, B flat. And an F chord, F, A, C. Might hear a seventh in there, but A, F, A, C. So you're working off of those three chords, and sometimes I'll just use a bass note instead of the full chord. Now let's get the opening, the introduction. Let's play the last phrase. And then go to a F7. Now the 5-7, the F7 is the 5 chord of B flat, so it'll lead you right into that melody, and you're already on the melody note right there. To do that in the bass, we're going to have B flat, D and F, F, C, B flat, and then we're going to go from that B flat to an F7 chord, and the way we're going to play that is F, E flat, A. Or if you spell it up from the bottom, A, E flat, F. Now here's your F7 chord. F, A, C, E flat. Okay, you got an F major with a minor seventh on top of it. That's your F7. F, A, C, E flat. So we're playing the entire chord except for the C. We're playing the F here, the A there, the E flat here, and we don't even play the fifth of the chord. It doesn't make that much difference, just a little bit of sound, and it sounds better here without it because we don't have quite as many notes. So let's take it slowly, and you can see how it fits together. And see, you don't hit anything after that B flat because that'll mess you up. You go right to the F7. First thing you do is play a B flat there. B flat, D, F, arpeggio, and then play B flat with the D and the F. Then go to the E flat, B flat, E flat, back to the B flat, D, F. We do it again, and then we do the B flat with the chord. We do the chord again, F, C, B flat, and we hit an E flat chord to a D. If we hold that B flat as a pedal tone, then you hit this E flat chord, E flat G, and you switch chords and right back to the B flat. Now let's go through it slowly so that you can see it. See how that fits together? Then we go to the E flat. Now see, we're going to play the E flat, the B flat, E flat, B flat, B flat in the bass. We've got the G on the melody up here. And see, we suspend that G, F, F. The G is suspended over the B flat chord and then resolves. And we do it again. So then you throw this E flat chord as a filler right over the top of that B flat chord. Then we go into the chorus, the refrain. So you're going to go B flat, D, F, E flat, B flat, E flat, and then you're going to F, C, F, B flat, G, and then when this comes down, you're going to go to that E flat chord from this B flat that you've got going in. So we've got B flat, D, or B flat, D, F, E flat, B flat, E flat, and F, and C, F, B flat. So you got the B flat and the E flat and G. I play it without talking so that you can just watch it. E flat and the G are going to go right with the G in the right hand. And I would just sustain all those notes because it just makes it richer. And usually congregations will hold that back. And then pick up. There's a couple ways you can play that into. You could go, or you can just play it B flat and G, D and F. And then, usually for a tag, it's kind of nice to just go back and repeat this chorus one more time. I played it slowly, but usually I would play it a little slower as you repeat it. Slow down. Then hit the D and the F and the D to fill out that chord. There you have it, Standing on the Promises, old 19th century gospel hymn. Hope you enjoy it.